What's up, all my folks out in YouTube land? Daryl, also known as the Finisher. Today, job site table reviews. Now, if you know anything about me, I love job site tables, right? Like, they just help you so much at a job site just to keep your stuff organized, keep your stuff off of other people's stuff. You don't want your job site looking like this, because this is crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over my 4 favorite tables. You know what I mean? Now, don't get it twisted. When I do reviews, this is my style of review, right? I don't do a tool review channel because I'm not good at detail. So if you're looking for like super specs on this stuff, like how many grams it weighs and like all the functionality that it has, man, you might have to go to somewhere else. Read the specs on like the website. For me, I'm gonna talk about how I use it. You know what I mean? How I use it on a day-to-day basis and why I think it's good. All right, so let's look at it. I don't know if y'all ever seen this one, but Kobalt, they used to make this one, man, a few years back. I don't know if they still do. I haven't seen it because I was actually trying to buy another one a little while back and I couldn't find one. But this was the first one I used, right? This is when I graduated. Oh, that's one of the issues right there. This is the first one. This is when I graduated from, just using a piece of plywood, which there's nothing wrong with that. It was just, this was a little more convenient to take inside somebody's house. And basically, very easy functionality. Look, they got all these tables you'll see is something in common. They got a bunch of holes and stuff, and these are all so you can clamp things down. Some of them come with little tools. Oh, this one, this is so old, I don't have none of the little pieces that go in here to like hold your wood in place. I don't know. Maybe somebody uses it, but I don't use none of that. And this one's great because all you do, you just open it up. You pull this off of here, the tabletop. Open it up. Sit this on top. Instant job site table. And the thing is, they got a spot here for a 10-inch miter saw. What is this? The 7-inch miter saw. I used it for a miter saw before, but to me, that wasn't the best functionality for it. It was like I said, the ease of transportation was great. The only problem was, as you saw earlier, it has a little clip on the bottom that would hold it in to this table. And once it broke, I mean, the table, this thing kind of just, it doesn't stay no more. It kind of just falls off. So, but, Kobalt, you need to come back out with this, man, because this thing is great. All right, now here's number 2. I know y'all seen this one already. DeWalt's table. Toughbill has one very similar to this. It, once again, has all these slots open for clamps and everything else. And by the way, if y'all use one of these to clamp wood down, just let me know, because I'm gonna tell you what, I've never used a clamp or anything. The little clamp dogs that come with this, I don't know. I've never used any kind of clamp for any of these tables. Now, I do know this one will hold, like it says, like 1,000 pounds. So if for some reason you need to put 1,000 pounds on a table, this is it. This is it. But functionality-wise, it's great. It's bigger than the Kobalt. So when I got it, this was like, I loved it. Same thing. I actually have put miter saws on this thing. And of course, the functionality is to open it. All you got to do is push this button. You got a little yellow button right here. Push that button down, open it up. That's it. Done. It's a done deal. So that's it. One thing I like about this one that the Kobalt didn't have, it has this little trough. You see right here, has this little trough right here. And I like that because I get screws and, drill bits and stuff like that. Oh, it's great. But a couple issues. These holes in the top are huge. Like, I like it, but, things can fall through this very simply, screws and stuff. And one other issue that is this heavy. So I don't know if it's, it's the metal, the legs are metal, so they're very solid, but it is a heavy table. I mean, other than that, it's great. But for me, sometimes I'm going up 3-4 flights of stairs and I just don't want to have to carry something extra, something else that's heavy, right? So as much as I like it, has a little handle on the side too for carrying, but this one was probably, I use it a lot, as you can see. That's one thing you'll see. That's one thing also. For the most part, I don't talk about things that I don't use. So if I'm giving my recommendation or giving my opinion on something, it's because it's gotten a lot of use. And you see this, as much as I like it, it's just too heavy for me to carry around all the time. So, but once again, you want to close it up, push this button, push it down, drag it down, that's it. So functionality-wise, ease of use, I mean, it's great. It's just, it's heavy. It is very heavy. So let's get to the next one. All right, now we're going to get into my top two right now. This one, Husky. Husky, you did your thing, okay? I did have a little bit of internal turmoil about which one I like better, but this one, it's not number one, but it could easily be number one, right? One thing is, it's a little too big for me to just take everywhere. But I will say something. If I'm going to be doing a job for a long period of time, like I'm going to be all day or something like that, or even a couple of days, and I'm going to leave a table there set up, oh, I'm going with this one because just the surface area is just as big as the DeWalt table. Matter of fact, you see, this one's actually taller. This one's actually a little bigger. I think this one's a little wider, but they're pretty much the same size. But as far as weight, this is actually lighter. And I think it's because of the hollow, I don't know what the legs are made out of. It might be hollow aluminum or something, but I think that made it much lighter. Now this one, I think this one says it'll hold 1,500 pounds. Look, dude, if you putting 1,500 pounds on a table, what are you doing? What you putting, like half a deck on there? Like what on earth are you putting 1,500 pounds on a table for? Let me know, because I can't figure it out. I would never, I just don't need that much weight. But that's just me. Everybody ain't like me. You know, everybody ain't doing the same thing I'm doing. But functionality-wise, now, this is the most cumbersome. Now, that's not saying that it's bad. It just has it's the most involved when it comes to putting it together, right? Because all the legs come on the back separate. So, like the DeWalt functionality, that gets an A. This one gets a B just because it does take a little work to get this stuff out. So you got to unhook each one of these legs and screw them in. So it doesn't take that long, but well, that's it. Once you get it there, boom, done. And like I said, this is heavy, heavy, heavy duty. Now, as far as what I know about the functionality, here you see the top. This is actually a built-in router table. Has a built-in router table. Have I ever used it? Absolutely not. Like, it actually has the clamps in here that you can slide in here. Like, put your clamps under here, slide them in, lock them in place to set up like a router station. It's glorious. So all you guys that do mobile woodworking or something that need a router table built in, hey man, that's all you. But for me, for what I do, I'm in and out, man. I'm in and out the house. So this table for me, it's just perfect because it's wide, has the handle on the side too. Plenty of space up here. And I don't have to worry about tools falling through, like, or whatever. Nice and solid. You know, the DeWalt had those big cross hatches or that big X. None of that. But there is one issue. No trough. No trough, man. So if I do have screws, I'm sitting them flat here, and if they roll around or fall off or do whatever, but y'all know how it is. You're putting together a ceiling fan or something, and you need the stuff to stay in place. And I'm not saying this automatically stuff rolls around, but I'm just saying it doesn't have a trough or anything like that, an area to put stuff where it's just going to be secure. As much as this, but this still, even saying all that, this is number 2, man. This is my second favorite one, right? So we break this down, and it comes with a whole another section, a whole nother piece. It's like some stuff that goes with the router and then clamps. It's a whole bin that comes attached underneath here. That's somewhere around here. That honestly, I've never used it. I think I opened it once just to see what was in there. But like I said, I can't even think of a reason I would use this as a router. I mean, it's just not my thing. So, but all right, let's go to number 1. Now this one, oh, this is number 1. So nice I had to get it twice. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the joint right here. Worx. Worx. Y'all did your thing with this one. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's functionality right there. That's it. The legs, it comes like a little suitcase. You see how, first off, I don't think y'all appreciate that. I really don't think you're appreciating how little this thing is. Remember I just had this thing right here. You know, this is like the 2-weeker right here. This is a 2-week suitcase. Look at this. This is overnight. This is overnight right here. That's it. That's all I'm saying. Overnight. Little petite suitcase. You don't always need to pack for a week of vacation. But these things, I mean, I'm going to buy a couple more because, look, when I say I use stuff, I put it through its paces. I put it through, man. Like, you know it's bad when, look at that. That's rust. That's because I had it outside of the job. Oh, I was doing this when I did the deck. I think I left this thing outside for a month and a half, something like that. And look at it, it's still functional, no issues, no issues. I was surprised that when I did that even the legs didn't rust. The legs are totally fine after all that time outside. But look at that foam on here. These things, this thing is great, man. So you see how I just put it together. I mean, that's literally all there is to it. Here are the legs. They fold up just like that. Open up, boom. Then this goes right on top. I'm telling you what, if I was going to have a sponsorship for somebody who made tables, Worx. Give me a call, man. Goodness. But this thing is wonderful, right? Now, functionality, same thing. You see all these holes? This one it has the little clamps, dogs underneath. Have I ever used them? Absolutely not. But they hold your wood in place, like, you know, like a 2x4 go right in this spot, right? And then you have another 2x1 over here. And you can put them here, put a 2x4 here, and it won't move. Now, how does that help you? I have no idea. Just being honest. I think if you don't use saws on a regular basis, then I think maybe as a DIY person, and ain't nothing wrong with that, then I think the functionality, it'll hold a 2x4 in place when you cut it, maybe, I guess. And you see a big deal for me on this. What does it have, ladies and gentlemen? 2 troughs. Not 1 trough, but 2 troughs. And look how deep they are. Oh, you talk about, I mean, I almost couldn't have made it better myself. The only thing I think I need one of these companies, if they come out with one of these, just like this, with no holes, man. I don't need all these holes. I just don't need it. Just 2 troughs. Make them longer if you can. I don't know. I don't know if that affects how it folds up or something, but it's great. And then this is where things start getting like on another level too. If you have more than one, y'all already know what I'm about to say. You already know what I'm about to say. If you have more than one, so you take these little things that hold the table closed, right? These little orange pieces that hold this table closed, and man, you can put the tables together. I don't have to turn it this way. I don't know why I just did all that, but I did. Let's just go like this. Oh, okay. You can put these things together. Look at this. And then, so they're locked in together. It's not just. And look at that. Now you got 2 tables. Almost makes me want to cry. So these Worx Sidekick. You did your thing. I know that they got another one, I think, that serves it's I even forgot what it's called. Maybe I'll put the name of it on the screen. That I like. Pegasus. Is it Pegasus? And they're good. They're good. They're just heavier than what I need for the functionality of what I'm doing. But I think the Pegasus, they also serve as sawhorses and tables. So the functionality is a little more, but they're a little heavier. But this is number 1, ladies and gentlemen. And like I said, this ain't like, I done used these things so much, and I'll probably end up getting some more, just as I keep them everywhere. I like keep one at my house, keep it in the garage, it's just like they used to say buy CDs back in the day. You buy one for the crib, you buy one for the car, and you keep one wrapped in plastic because it's a classic. This is a classic. I might just buy an extra one just to keep in the closet in case 20 years from now, one of these breaks, and then I got to get another one, and they don't make them no more. Or maybe they'll have the finisher special edition will be out by then. I don't know, man, but number one for me. The other ones are good too, though, so don't sleep. Don't sleep, especially this, like I said, this Husky. This is all good stuff, man. Said DeWalt, everybody's doing their thing. Kobalt, I don't think they even make those anymore, so we're gonna leave you over there. That's it, man. So check them out, man. Whatever functionality works best for you, and if you actually use it to clamp things down, let us know. Leave it in the comments, because I just never had a reason to use it, or use something like this, like for the router. What would you use it for? You know what I mean? So, Daryl, also known as the finisher. Stay safe, be blessed, and remember, if the trades don't work, nothing else does.